Hello and welcome to our first ever vlog. Today we are putting new BC Racing coilovers on the E36, which I have right here. It's got their recommended spring rates on a BR series. This would be a pretty good upgrade coming from original in the back. It's pretty clapped, and the front's even worse. I've got max speeding rods from like 2014 that are leaky, and you know, max speeding rods are pretty garbo. So I'll probably stick with the same height for now. It's not too bad until I get new wheels, and then I'll play it from there. It's mainly just a refresh. That's what I'm going with this car. It's like an OEM styling refresh. I actually just got recently spray painted this side. So top bumper and the whole rear quarter and the bonnet got repainted. I'll put some pics on the screen of what it used to look like. So it's cleaned up pretty well. Just a little bit dirty because it's my daily. But yeah, we'll get straight into it now. Alright, finally have one off. Got the front off, and yeah, I've seen better days. I've noticed that was like completely mangled. It's broken. I'll probably just leave it as it is. They're both the same height. Switch to the reinforcement plate. And yeah, chuck it in. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so we've done one side. We found it was a bit tricky because on this one, the lines go like from this way up, but this one's slightly different. It's on the back side, so we actually have to route the brake line this way, or the brake line this way, and then we rerouted the wear pad sensor to the back side, which was a bit of a problem, but now it's able to go left and right without hitting anything. But before, that bracket is kind of in the way if they're both on one side. So yeah, it's one side done, and now I've got to do the other side. Alright, so BMW is done. I'm not going to say how long it took, but longer than expected. The front's all in. The fronts are all done, looking very snazzy. I won this while. The rear, we did this properly, me and Carl. So put preload on the spring, I think it's 10 mil, and then we lifted up the shock and tightened that all down. So now it's exactly the same height as it was before, and I'll take it outside for some cinematics. Alright, well, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching. BMW is looking pretty much the same, but now when I do get wheels, I can lower it. And yeah, if you want to watch the journey, I've got a lot of stuff I want to do for this car, yeah, subscribe, like and subscribe.